Hello everyone, welcome to this part of the video where we are given that the floor plan of a bathroom. This question gives us the scale 1:40. That means the actual bathroom is 40 times larger than the plan itself. They also give me the dimensions of the plan. 6 cm by 5 cm. We are now going to find the dimensions of the actual bathroom in meter. Notice, just now we saw that the scale is 1:40. This means the actual length or actual dimensions are 40 times larger. So the dimensions is pretty straightforward, isn't it? I just need to multiply by 40. This will give me 240 cm. Convert it to meter, 2.4 meter. Same goes for the width, which will be equals to 5 cm multiplied by 40, 200 cm, 2 meter. And part B is pretty straightforward. Therefore, the area, which we learned previously, area is length times breadth, 2.4 meter times 2 meter, because they want meter square. And we are done. And let's move on to the next question.